Alright guys, I'm in the Beast. I'm going to pull my friend out. It's my 92 Chevy Silverado. Going to pull him out of a ditch. He affectionately calls my truck the Beast. So, I'll film something when I'm down there. My first vlog! I guess going on a tow truck run. Tow truck run! Well, it's not a tow truck. Alright, see you guys! Alright guys, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. We're trying to find something to put this on. We're gonna hook this on the old, here, I'm gonna switch. Hold on here. There's the stuck car. I'm gonna make a video for my fans. There's the car stuck. There's the pickup that's gonna pull it out. Here we are. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Okay. There's the feet of my friend. There's the feet of me.
I can't find anything, Dave.
What do you mean you can't find anything?
I can't find anything.
You can't find anything to hook it to?
No.
There's gotta be something. Here, let's look in the wheel well then. There's gotta be something in there to grab. Something right under here. I'll take a look. All right. Hold on. I'll look. I guess I'm gonna have to look. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Look at this rusted out piece of crap. It's Park Avenue. He just kicked me. All right, he just kicked me. All right, hold on. We're gonna try this bumper plate and we're gonna see. I don't know if I break his bumper here, he's gonna be mad. But look at that. There's nothing here. There's nothing under here to grab onto. Nothing. Look at that muffler. What a piece of shit muffler. Here we go. All right, we're gonna try it here. We're gonna see if we get this to work here. All right.
Did you?
Don't worry, I'm gonna hook it up onto the thing. I'm gonna hook it up on the front hook here of the old Chevy, the Beast. Look at the Beast. Look at that Beast. Oh yeah. Four-wheel drive sweetness. Oh crap. Down in the snow. Oh, crap. All right. There it is. Ready to hook it up to the Beast. All right, guys. Got it four-wheel drive. We're hooked up. All right, here we go. Let's see if it'll pull him back. All right, here we go. Oh boy. Wow. Don't go. Wow. Wow, no go. You'd have to yank him. Okay, that ain't gonna work. The tow rope came off. All right, hold on, I'm gonna go put it back on. Okay, I've repositioned. Here we go. Try it again. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, there we don't go. There we go. Gave it a tug. Well, I might have to reposition. Oh my goodness. Don't know. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Pull him back. Pulling him out. Here we go. We're still. Can you move yet?
What?
Can you move yet on your own?
So, let me see.
Try to back up. No, you can't move yet. Okay. I think he's out. I think he's He's out. Yep, we got it. Should be able to undo that because I didn't tie it in a knot. That's a trick, by the way, guys. I didn't have any hooks on this rope. I didn't tie it in a knot. So actually now I can just easily take it off. See how I just wrapped it around the hook. Came right off. He's taking that right off. And yeah, this is gonna make a good video. I got the Domino's pizza delivery guy out of this ditch.
Look, come over here, look at this.
Yeah. Hold on, let me throw this rope back in the car. Crap, what a pickle you got in.
Look at this.
Yeah, I know. You ended up going down this incline here.
This whole driveway is nice.
Yeah. Well, there we go. We did it. He's out. All right, there you go, guys. Recording that Chevy truck saves the day. Pizza guy is out of here, and I am gone. 4-wheel drive. There we go. Off into the night. Off into the night. I'm gonna let him go around me here. All right, guys, that is it. That's my first vlog. Snow plow. Snow. Get this guy out. Yeah, go around me. Go around me, man. Go around me. You're good? All right, I'm gonna back up, pull it out of 4-wheel drive. All right, see ya. That's what you gotta do in the Chevy trucks. I don't need it now. Gotta back him out. Get him off 4-wheel. Otherwise the clutches grab a little bit. There we go. All right, one stuck car out of there.